Diabetes Meal Planning for Beginners Part 2. 10 must-have ingredients for quick and healthy diabetic meals. Hello, beginners! Now that you have kick-started into your diabetic wellness journey, you are probably looking to whip up quick and healthy meals for your diabetic diet. We've got you covered. In this video, we'll share 10 must-have ingredients to keep on hand for effortless diabetes meal planning. 1. Skinless chicken breast, a lean protein source that can be grilled, baked, or sautéed for versatile meals. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and lettuce provide essential nutrients and add freshness to salads and stir-fries. 3. Avocado, packed with heart-healthy fats. Avocados are perfect for salads, spreads, or as a creamy topping. 4. Berries, low in sugar and high in antioxidants. Berries make a nutritious addition to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. 5. Greek yogurt, high in protein and low in sautéed. Greek yogurt is a versatile base for parfaits or smoothies. 6. Cauliflower, a low-carb alternative to rice or potatoes. Cauliflower can be mashed, roasted, or used in stir-fries. 7. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene and vitamins. Tomatoes are great for sauces, salads, or salsas. 8. Quinoa, a protein-rich grain that cooks quickly and can be used as a base for salads or side dishes. 9. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats and can be added to meals or enjoyed as snacks. 10. Citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, and oranges add zest and freshness to dishes, as well as providing vitamin C. By incorporating these 10 must-have ingredients into your pantry, you'll have a solid foundation for preparing quick and healthy diabetic meals. Get ready to enjoy delicious meals while managing your blood sugar levels effectively. For more recipe ideas and tips on diabetes meal planning, subscribe to our channel to not miss any.